Hello everyone, it's Katie Dunham with breaking Washington, D.C. Metro News. An unnamed source within the FBI says that an international crime organization is behind the latest series of heists in the Metro D.C. area. Let's go live to Nancy on the scene.
Yes, thank you, Katie. Right behind me, hours ago, First World Bank was hit in another daring daylight robbery. This time, an unconfirmed number of First World security officers were killed.
I gotta go.
I'm really concerned about Hector Morales.
Who is Hector Morales?
This guy, 38 years old, no priors, not even a parking ticket, which is pretty good considering he's the top meth distributor on the eastern seaboard. All the crystal from the golf cartel, his.
What is his connection to the Payday gang and the heist?
I don't know yet, but what I do know is that he needs cash because he is expanding. He is flooding Detroit with narcotics, and every one of Hector's deals has been authorized by crime men.
Which you can't even prove exists.
There are two types of criminals. The ones who get caught, and the ones who don't. You can't simply move millions of dollars of kilos of cocaine over state lines in the back of a station wagon. You have to employ more creative methods. That's where Lucas comes in. A longtime customer of Hector's and a bullshit Hollywood producer. Lucas is prepping for what's sure to be his next mega flop.
Isabella.
Lucas. They're all loaded up. This is the last one left.
This should make Bane happy. Very happy. There's been a change of plans.
I don't like last-minute changes like this.
I had to bring in a little extra muscle. Just to be sure.
The Haitian? Are you insane, Lucas?
A little.
No offense.
None taken.
So you tell me that the Payday gang is helping Morales move drugs? It just doesn't make any sense, Jordan.
I am sure that these guys are connected. They are part of CrimeNet. They are planning something way bigger than what we imagined.
Why don't you just go home and get some sleep? You have to take a break. You have to take a couple days.
Get the fuck out of here.
Fuck!
The beauty of movies is that nobody questions transporting piles of fake money and drugs in exotic cars. At least not enough to check if they're real. There is no better place to wash dirty cash than a Hollywood production.
All right.
Got that present?
You mean this one?
Had that made special for you.
This'll work.
I'll call you later.
Epitelos. Ade.
While Special Agent Griffin has her eye on Hector, Lucas and the Haitian should have no problem transporting the cargo. If she starts to catch on, I have ways of knowing when to pull the plug.
Hector.
Normally I would contact Hector myself, but considering Griffin has him under surveillance, I have no choice other than to rely on Lucas to keep Hector informed.
It's good news about your new movie, Lucas.
We're in profit, and we haven't even rolled cameras yet.
I'm sure the car chase scenes will be most compelling.
You know, I've got a big yacht in Cannes this year. You should come.
One minute, Lucas. You are very disrespectful.
What the fuck?
We have a no scumbags can touch the girls policy in my bar.
Do I know you?
No. But if you don't start respecting my girls, you will.
What, girls? Tell you what. You go get me a drink. And I'll forget that you came over here and ruined my fun.
Hey, don't fucking fight in here. Every time you come here, this place becomes a mess, okay?
Are you finished? Terminaste?
Whatever.
Then sit down.
No.
Sit down.
No.
Sit down. Siéntate.
Struggling, came back home another man. Got no faith in the government, cause shit they promised they had. So public, trying to trade water, keep my head up, but the path is narrow. Need a little news, but every time I shoot, it's coming from a broken arrow. Leave me alone. Cold ball glistening, and I know God listening. You say you're never gonna leave, you're not just listening. You were meant to be, if you believe it all falls into place. Nothing's gonna stop me, the base. Underneath the gates to some of the sweet and maybe the poison. You better beware, cause I like to share it up with my poison. With my poison.
Give me the bottle.
No.
I said give me the fucking bottle. Now give me your hat. Your hat.
Cars will be in Detroit on set. Sophie, we're going.
Money can influence a lot of things. But with all this heat from the feds, it might be a good idea to have some political cover. Lucky for me, elections are coming up. And I know one politician in need of a campaign donation.
Yeah, once bitten, heart primed, I'm so smitten, sitting hitting on my favorite green love note written, reminiscing how I felt about you in the past. Shit was different, I was timid, now we have a blast. And I'm attached to you like a drug, you love it when I OD. Liquor shot the finger in that trigger like an OG. You got a sugar daddy that you leaving lonely. You think you had a secret, I ain't peeked that you ain't told me. He got nothing on me, I represent the people. Equality has gotta be alright, they're illegal. So when they try to take you from me, I'ma stand up. Step up in the place and everybody throw their hands up.